Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cupcake drawing. First, let's begin with the very foundation. Draw a simple U-shape to create the base of your cupcake liner. Next, add a gently curved line directly on top of the U-shape. This will be the bottom of your cake. Finally, sketch a wavy line just above that, which will serve as the starting point for your delicious frosting. These three simple steps lay the groundwork for your sweet treat. Now, let's bring that frosting to life. You can choose to draw a beautiful swirling peak or a soft, mounded shape for the top of your cupcake. Next, give your cupcake liner some texture by adding several vertical lines, mimicking the classic pleated paper. Don't forget to sprinkle on some fun. Add a few small, scattered dots or tiny dashes to represent delicious sprinkles, making your cupcake even more appealing. To make your cupcake truly unique, let's add some delightful toppings. You might draw a single, perfectly round cherry or a small, juicy berry right on top of the frosting. For a chocolatey treat, sketch tiny, irregular shapes to represent delicious chocolate chips scattered across the surface. If it's a celebration, consider adding a simple, thin candle with a small flame for an extra festive touch. These details add personality. Finally, let's add some depth and polish to your cupcake drawing. Use light, gentle curved lines to suggest shadows where the frosting meets the cake, giving it a three-dimensional look. Next, go back to your liner and add slightly darker lines to emphasize the pleats, making them stand out. Lastly, take your eraser and carefully remove any initial guidelines or stray marks, ensuring your cupcake drawing is clean and ready to be admired. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.